Question number first. In the International System of Units (SI), number of supplementary units is. The correct answer is option B, 2. Next question. The EMF of cell does not depend on. The correct answer is option C, the size of the cell. Next question. Water is boiling in a flask over a burner. To reduce its boiling temperature, one must. The correct answer is option D. Connect the mount of the flask to an evacuating system. Next question. If a red light is used to illuminate a green leaf and a red flower, it will appear as. The correct answer is option A. Black leaf and red flower. Next question. Which surface is a good absorber of heat? The correct answer is option D. Black rough surface. Next question. The immersed portion of pieces of pure ice floating in water is. The correct answer is option D, 9/10th of its volume. Next question. A solid piece of iron sinks in water but floats in mercury because. The correct answer is option B. The density of iron is more than that of water but less than that mercury. Next question. The radiant energy from the sun is due to. The correct answer is option A. Nuclear fusion. Next question. Sound wave in air are. The correct answer is option D, longitudinal. Next question. The process of joining two or more blocks of ice by pressing each other is called. The correct answer is option A, regelation. Next question. A rocket leaves the Earth, lands on the Moon, and returns to Earth. It will require the maximum energy to. The correct answer is option C, rise from the Earth. Next question. If the length and cross section of a wire are both double, the resistance will be. The correct answer is option B, remain unchanged. Next question. Which is not renewable resource? The correct answer is option D, none of the above. Next question. A magnifying glass or a simple microscope produce a. The correct answer is option A, magnified virtual image. Next question. Two ends of the tube are closed by corks so that the tube becomes airtight. the pressure of air inside the closed tube is? The correct answer is option A, equal to the atmospheric pressure.